my strike. This is the strike which I have played. So this is the strike. You can see the profit was around 3200. Now it is around 1800 only. A little bit of decrease in the profit. Normally, as soon as it crosses, I do not come out because you can see premium is increasing. So normally what happens is like, those who have missed this rally will try to enter at this level. So that is why, whenever it crosses, it is not like as soon as it crosses, we should come out. We need to see the, action of this candle also. So that is why we need to wait for some time because you can see a lot of people have started entering at this level right now. Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel once again. Today I'm going to show the live trade again. As you can see, Nifty Bank I've opened, and from yesterday, the observation is Nifty Bank has been closed in a range only. This is you can see 330 candle, and this is 915. So the very close observation what we can see here is Nifty has been closed in a range. If you can see, and this is the range, so it is in a range. So a very simple analysis I'm going to do today, that is if Nifty will break this level, and this will also act as a very supreme resistance. You can see this will act as a resistance. So my assumption, my hypothesis is if Bank Nifty will cross this label and consolidate here for a certain period of time, then I'm expecting a move till here. So that will be a move of around 900. And but we need to see where it closes. So if it breaks the lower level, then I'm expecting the move till here. You can see I'm expecting a move till here. So I have assumption for both conditions. So there will be a move of 1000 or 900 move. So in both ways, you can see if it crosses this resistance level, or even if it crosses this support level, Nifty Bank today is going to give a very good movement. So I am ready with this 50,700 call option. This is the target for today if it breaks this level, and I'll be ready with 47,900 put option also. Expiry is 12 you can see. So I'll be ready with 47,900 put option. So 47,900 put option. Or I'll play a little bit closer put option, that is 48,500. So 48,500 put option. I'm just adding here 48,500 put option. Bank Nifty 48,500 put option. 40, okay, it's here only 48,500 put option. I've just added it in the watch list. So even though there is a chance for it to reach 50,700 level, what I will do is I'll try to play the near strike because that will give us a good, profit. So I'll be adding the profit of around strike of around 50,200 or 50,300, 50,300, 300 strike call option. So I'm ready with this strike. Now it's a game of wait and watch. I'm not feeling quite well, so I'm a little bit recovering. So today I thought of, playing a game. So let's see what happens. This is the 915 candle. It touched this support line, and then you can see a very good green candle. And you know, if you see this, there's a bit of, kind of support it has been trying to take, because this is the central pivot range. So this line normally acts as a support. So let's wait and watch what happens. I'm ready with this call option. You can see volume is not much. Uh, I need to see, this is 9:15. A little bit of buying is going on. I can see a bit of buy. So what I can do is I can place a call order, but my stop loss will be this only. So what I can do is I can place order over here, and if it tries to cross this level, then I can, book my loss. So that way I can do. So this is a very narrow stop loss. I'm just writing it here. I'm just writing support only. This is a very narrow support. So how it will react in this support, that it becomes very important. Or else I'm ready with the put option also. This is how we trade. We should trade, keeping in mind both uh, the option of call and put. So that is how we trade. So if it breaks this level, and then you can see 20-period moving average just below. So I just need to wait for some time. We can see buying from this level. So I can think of putting some order over here also. You can see a little of buying here, but the main thing is it need to cross this level. That is the main thing. So let us have an overview. The overview is Nifty 50 is 121 positive, Bank Nifty is 112. So Bank Nifty is not as much as strong as Nifty 50, even since it's still 32. Post the report of the election, market has been normalized. So VIX, which is a measure of fear in the market, is 70. We'll check the international market also. What is the update in the international market? So we can just put order over here. You can see we can just put order at this level, call option, and then we can wait for this level. That is one way. We can go on changing the support level also after that. So let's say if I just add 90, let me check what is happening with Nifty 50 also, and even Sensex. Okay, so Nifty 50 have already crossed this label. Sensex also have recently crossed the resistance level. Now it is a turn of the bank, but how bank will react, that we need to see. Actually, no, it's putting the order right now. I think I need to wait for some time, because here also this is the strike of 50,300 call option, and the support is around 248. Right now the value is 264. I can wait for some time. US 30 is little bit positive. German axis also flat. So international market are quite flat. I need to go through the economic times also. RBI, what is okay? Since it's claimed 300 points ahead of RBI MPC Monetary Policy Committee. So this kind of news really makes an impact. You can see the domestic benchmark equity index Nifty Sensex started the day wins gains on Friday as investors anticipate the Reserve Bank of India's policy meeting. It is widely anticipated that the RBI will maintain the interest rate unchanged. Okay, so there is an event today. So that is why it is related to event. So it can be a little bit volatile also. Let me see where I can get an entry. I'm not feeling well. Uh, Nifty Bank is little bit increasing from this level. From this point, maybe this is also a resistance, if you can see, trying to cross this resistance, but the major resistance is this level. And again, 20 period moving average is here. Also, you have recently taken the trade uh, at the rate of 238. I've just recently taken the trade, and I'll just draw the line 238. So 238 is around at, at this level. So I'll just enter at this label. You can see I bought a call option only. So this is my where I have made an entry. This is my entry point. Why I made an entry is because you can see I've drawn this line and clearly a buying sign we can see. So I'm just expecting like market is going to increase from here. You can see a little bit of profit. I just bought 90 only. A little bit of profit can be seen here. Can be seen here. I'll show you my order also 956. So right now it is 958. 956 59. That means 957. I bought just now only 238. Right now it is 247. So now I just need to wait and watch what happens. I have to now draw the very important line that is very important. So I will show you now this becomes my support line. You can see it is trying to cross this level right now. So I'm just waiting. You can see this was my support, and as I've told you, I just waited for this first support, and it have reached this resistance level as I've said. So this is the strike which I have played. Now it will take some time to hover around this resistance. So if it crosses this resistance, then in no time it is going to reach 50,000 also. But initially, first target can be 50,000. So if it breaks this level, then I can get a good momentum. But the problem is I'm still in loss. When I had made an entry at this level, it and over here it was showing 3,000 profit, but it reached here. But you can see this is a decay in premium. Okay, this is a decay in premium. So only now, if it breaks this level, then I am going to get a good profit. So let's see what happens. When it reached here, it was showing 2,400. But when I entered here, it went to this level. The profit is 3,000. But now it is here, but still I'm in loss. So this is what is known as decay. So a lot of decay is happening today, and only momentum can save me today. Okay, so momentum will come only after it crosses this level. Only if this candle is going to cross this level nicely, and then I can get a momentum. So let's see what happens. Fingers crossed. Hello guys. I'm so sorry actually. I have to apologize because I was recording the video, but the end part of the video where I had booked the profit that was not recorded. So I'm just showing you here only. You can see the chart over here. At the time, what actually happened was um this was the resistance, right? So you can see clearly this Nifty Bank, like I had made an entry at this level. I'd made an entry at this level, and it had crossed this resistance as I had assumed. So it came to this level, and I just booked my profit at this level. So in order to show that, I'll show you through this console profit and loss account, and this is for the month of 7th June. So that was on Friday. You can see I had booked a profit of 8,000, and these are net profit which I got was 7,900, 7,910. And we need to pay certain charges also, like brokerage charges is 40. So I just taken one trade only. So when we buy it, we had to pay 10 rupees. Sorry, when we buy we have to pay 20 rupees. When we sell we have to buy 20 rupees. There's a flat charge, so 40 rupees. And exchange transaction charges is 25.19. Likewise, integrated GST is 11.79 per trade. Security transaction tax 18, SEBI turnover fees is 0.05, stamp duty is 1, NSE investor protection trust fund is 0.25. So you can see so many charges we have to pay. So you can see 96.29, this is the charges which I had paid. And you can also see here 90 quantity I had played, and that was on Friday, as I've already showed you. That is, for the 7th June. And I bought I'd bought for 238, and I sold it when the price reached the level of 327. And the strike was, you can see, 50,300 strike. So I'll just show you in the chart also where I just, booked my profit. So that was 50,300. I'm just adding it, 50,300. So 50,300 call option. I'll show you in the chart also. As you can see, I booked my profit when the price reached 327. So 50,300. You can see the highest price it reached was 384. But this was my entry level. You can see here 238. So my entry point was here 238. 238 means it was somewhere around here. So 238. So this was my entry point. I've written entry over here also, and I'd come out when it reached 327. So you can see 327. So this was the point where I booked my profit. Actually, what happened was, it had increased also. The profit which was shown to me was more than 8,000. It was 9,000 also, 10,000 also. But I had to book profit over here because actually I had got an doctor appointment at that time also. So I just booked here. But later on, you can see it closed around 295. So the moral of the story is, what I would like to tell you is this setup is very simple. I just trade on the basis of support and resistance. First, we need to know where to draw the support, where to draw the resistance, and after that, we need to decide on the risks also, how much risks we are ready to take, and where we'll be taking our losses. Okay, so that way we'll be minimizing our losses and we'll be maximizing our profit. And I hope today's video is going to give you some insights on how to take a trade. So stay tuned. I'll come up with more such kind of videos. If you're new to this channel, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if anything you want to learn, you can just write it in a comment box. So thank you, and I'll meet you on the next vlog. Till then, bye bye.